We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're showing you how to make our homemade blue cheese dressing. You can use this as a dip or thin it out for a pourable salad dressing. For the base, we use both mayonnaise and sour cream. Mayonnaise can be heavy by itself. Adding the sour cream lightens up the dressing a bit. As always, the full recipe with tips can be found on Inspired Taste. Add a good amount of blue cheese. Blue cheese can vary in how strong the flavor is, so choose a cheese that you enjoy. Now grab a small handful of parsley and chop it up. This adds a bit of extra freshness. We also love adding a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to lighten up the flavors a bit. Finally, season the dressing with salt and pepper. Stir everything together and use the spoon to smush the cheese into the dressing. This is the perfect consistency for dipping, but if you wanted a pourable dressing, add a splash of milk, buttermilk, or water. And that's it. Easy, creamy blue cheese dressing. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.